Hello and welcome to the HardReset YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to disable download in Chrome. The first thing you will have to do is to open Google Chrome browser. Now, go to the top right section and click on these three dots. Now, pick Settings. Great. From the panel on the left, choose Privacy and Security. Go to Site Settings. Go all the way down and find Additional Permissions. Click on it, and now click on Automatic Downloads. Now toggle the switch to disable downloads in Google Chrome. Great job! Now you know how to disable download in Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.